Hi everyone, welcome back. I hope you all are doing good. I am doing okay, cannot complain. Little aches and pains because old age is catching up with me for all my years of beating up the body. So anyway, I subscribe to peachycheat.com newsletters or daily get my money notifications, and they had a PRIMA Julie nutting thing. I could not resist it. So let's share. Let me share with you what I got. And the thing is, I don't think I had. Well, when they showed the pictures, I didn't have most of that stuff. But I have a paper fetish, crazy about paper, and so this is the Julie Nuttin November December paper pad. It's 6 double-sided designs, 5 sheets each. And look, this is how you can dress your dolls, your Julie Nutting dolls. I guess. I guess they have clothes in here. I don't know about that. Let's see. Let's see if I can't do a sideways flip through. I've always been horrible at those. And see, I wouldn't, I'm not going to say I wouldn't, but I'm not going to fussy cut these little bitty tiny images out. I'm not going to even ask my scanning cut to do that because I would be upset and throw it out the window. But these little packages, these are all good. Thick paper too, so you can definitely do some. So it's winter or fall and winter. That's pretty. I normally don't do anything with the papers that I get when I order these kits. So it says coordinates, great for planners, coordinates with these stickers. So these are stickers sold separately. Okay. Have you ever seen this paper in store? No, I haven't either. Maybe at a big, not a big box store, but maybe at a scrapbook store, a real scrapbook store, not the big box catered to all people that craft stores. But we don't have one of those in my area, and I don't even know where the closest one is, but I'm not going to drive like 2 hours, 3 hours to go to a store to find this when I can go online. I think that's why the scrapbooking stores went away. Anyway, off on a tangent. So I think this was $25. I can't remember the price. And they don't, Peachy don't send you an order form. They just say, here's your junk and go ahead and craft. But the reason why I got this says Rudy. That's cute. You could probably turn Rudy into a boy. Take that heart off. No, these legs give it away. Never mind. It's a girl. The reason why I got this set is because I don't have the animals, and I'm not really big on turning, like I've told you before, turning animals into humans or having a human body with an animal head. But I thought this was really cute, and you get the dies with it, so I don't have to worry about trying to figure out the lines for my scanning cut. I could just cut it out, and you get 8 pieces. So you get 2 stamps, 3 stamps, 3 stamps, 1, 2, 3 stamps, and then the rest you get the metal dies, which is really cool. So I think this costs like, I want to say $10, $20, depending on where you go. I'm hoping Black Friday will bring me lots of stamps in my life. We will see how that works out. This is Foxy. I wonder if this, never mind. I was going to say, I wonder if this is Rudy not standing up being sassy. So this is, oh no, it's 4 stamps. You get her, you get Happy Holidays, a bow to go on her head or the reindeer's head, and then you get a deer. Really cool. Now, I don't have Twinkle. I guess she's a little fairy or a deer. I don't know. But I don't have her. And so that's the reason why I purchased this, because I didn't have these stamps. But I see that they did give me 1 stamp that I wasn't expecting to get. So I have to go back and look at that day's sale or promotion if I still have it in my email. But you get all of this. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stamps. Cool. And you don't have to do everything that is suggested with this. Like this one has tags you can figure out. These are the older dolls, like the first wave or the second wave of dolls that she made. And then the newer ones just have kind of what's on the back. So that's okay. No, no worries, no big deal. But you don't have to put these little antlers on her head, but you have a die in case you want to. My scanning cut could cut all of those out. The words, I would have to put like a little box around it, but they give you something that you can cut out on a die, so you don't have to worry about that, which is great in my opinion. Now I think I may have Joy. I have to check and see. But for the most part, I didn't have the ones that they were getting. It's like a Halloween, a Christmas set. And it's 4 pieces in here. You get Joy. She's sassy. The one thing I'm not gonna say is a turn off, but I don't like that. Um, you know, their midriff is showing. But you know, you can always make that a belt, and that's what I normally do sometimes. So you can set them on the back. So you get 4 pieces. You get her this little heart mistletoe, and then you get real mistletoe, and then it says, "May your holidays be filled with joy," and her name is Joy. Hey, Joy. And she has this little hat on. This is cool. This is really pretty. So you know, you don't have to. You can mix and match these. Like you can have Twinkle, which I think is cute. She has these little earmuffs on, and you can have May your days. What did it say? May your holidays be filled with joy. I just said that and couldn't remember. I have a great memory. So you can do that with this one. You know, you can mix and match all of them. I do like that a lot of the sayings don't repeat themselves, which is great. And then Mary, I don't believe I have Mary either. And she is so cute. Now she may be Twinkle's sister. Because I think she's supposed to be like a little elf as well, which is cool. You know, I'm going to be working on some Christmas journals over the next week or so. I do have plans on trying to get these things out, but I'm so late. I should have worked on Christmas in June or July. You know, Christmas in July is for a reason. You craft for Christmas so you don't get frantic. But anyway, it has 4 pieces. This looks like a little stitch button maybe. And then this says, "May your day be merry and bright." And then a little gift. So you can use all these, you know, mix and match them. Now, I do have this Holiday Bliss planner situation right here. So I'm going to go back and see. I wonder if this is, I don't think Peachy Cheap would ever send me anything free. But I don't think I was supposed to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stamp sets. But that's a good deal. If I do find that it is supposed to be in this package, I wonder if this is different. I don't think it's different. Let's see. 2017. I unfortunately can't reach my stamps. I covered my desktop. I'm trying to do some redesign in the crafty space. So I do think I have this one. And if I do, I'll come back later on and do some type of giveaway for you all. But look, you get all this stuff. You get this right here too. And you know, they sell this, sometimes they sell the dies separately. So there's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I don't remember the price. I guess I can find the price and put it in the description box down below. But that's a lot. It's a good deal. Because if you go online right now, I think these are like $10. I think these are like $10 to $15. I did not pay, I don't think I paid over $30 for it. But shipping, you know, shipping, I don't like the way they have that shipping, but it came fairly quickly, and I'm very happy with the my purchase. So I want to say thank you all for watching. Until next time, happy crafting.